Public companies that bought Bitcoin, they're getting worried. The craziness of public companies riding the Bitcoin wave as it increased in value caused many of their stocks to jump even more than the increase in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. But now that Bitcoin has pulled back from its all-time high slightly over $126,000 and has dropped about 20%, those public companies that bought Bitcoin are seeing their stocks drop far greater than the decline in Bitcoin. Roughly 25% of the public companies that bought Bitcoin as a treasury strategy now have a market cap valuation below the total value of their Bitcoin holdings. What companies were doing was they would invest in Bitcoin, then sell their shares at a premium as their stock increased in value, and then use those proceeds to turn around and buy more Bitcoin. Now that Bitcoin has declined, there's no reason for crypto buyers or traders to buy those stocks, and instead it looks like they have been selling them. As an example, Clean Core Solutions is now down over 80% since investing in Dogecoin, and even a larger player like Japan's Metaplanet, which is a top 5 publicly listed Bitcoin holder, has seen its stock decline around 60% over the last 3 months. If Bitcoin were to continue its decline, the companies could be forced to sell assets, which could cause Bitcoin to fall even further. So far, this has not affected the company who started this craziness of buying Bitcoin in their treasury. I'm referring to MicroStrategy, which has changed its name just to Strategy and still trades under the symbol MSTR. Really, all this company does is buy Bitcoin. Strategy owns roughly 640,000 Bitcoin, and at today's price is worth roughly $70 billion. It is estimated that Strategy's average purchase price for Bitcoin is $74,000, so they seem to be safe for a while. However, stock investors in Strategy are probably crying the blues. Since July, the stock was around $450, and as of today, it trades around $240, close to a 50% decline. As we have said for years, no one really knows what direction Bitcoin is going. Could be up or it could be down. But one thing is for certain. If those companies that bought Bitcoin and pushed the price higher now need to sell it, they will probably cause Bitcoin to fall even further. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.